What's up, everybody? It's Flux, and I just want to give you a really quick sneak preview of some of the sounds that's going to be in this sound pack that's coming out. Now, if you notice, this is just one of the kits here. Full mod wheel control on the sounds. Check this one out. And more analog. So as you can see, lots of interesting new sounds just for Maschine, especially done inside of Maschine, mapped out for you, taking advantage of some special features of Maschine, and I've laid out quite a few patterns on each kit as well that you can choose to use or discard. Okay, peace.